Hi, let's see BDP ICP1. So the main objective of this ICP is to install the Cloudera distribution in our system. So I've installed it and to perform some basic SDFS commands, moving files, appending files, merging files, copying, such. So let's see demo part of it. So this is where I have created a folder in Cloudera called BDP and ICP1. So I'm just listing the files. I see there are no files. So this is my local system files. So in my local system files, I have old list and Shakespeare.txt. So I will move this files into the ICP1. So I have created one more file called ICP commands. I have written all the commands which I would be using, and I would uh, execute one by one. The first one is, as we saw earlier, there is no files in this. So I will copy one file. I'll copy the oldest text from my local system to the SDFS file. So the command which I would be using is hadoop fs -put, and the local file which I'm using over here is text oldest, and which and the location where I would be placing is user Cloudera BDP ICP1. So I'll copy that particular command. So I'm copying the old text from my local system to the Hadoop. So it has been copied. Let's see. Yeah, we can see the particular file in the Hadoop. So now I will append the Shakespeare file to this oldest.txt. Before that, let's see the content of the file to make sure that it has been appended. So we can do that both in CLI as well as who. So let's see the CLI part. So I'll add it. Dot text. So this is the content. Let's see the same thing in who. So we see that there is only one file with 16 KB. So it is very small file, 16 KB. So let's append the Shakespeare content to this particular file. So the command which I would be using is, I will append my local file. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I'll just clear the screen. Yeah, hadoop fs. The command is append to the file which I would be using is Shakespeare, and to the file which we want. The file which we want is old text. So I'll copy that particular command, append to file, and what file I want, and to this particular thing. I just copied it, so I'll paste it here. So that is append to file, I pasted it. So let's append it. So let's see the file size which I mentioned earlier, which was 16 KBs. So let's LTR. So we see around 5 MB size of it. So let's see in the hue as well. Yeah, 5 MB. So let's see the content. Yeah, we can see it's a very big file. So appending is done. So now you and append is done. So let's see the first 5 lines of the appended file. So the command which I would be using is, I will use this cat command. Uh, uh, yeah, Hadoop fs hyphen cat to see the Hadoop command, and wordlist dot txt. I'm concatenating, and I'm just saying the head hyphen n first 5 lines. Yeah, this is it. So I will copy this particular 5 lines of code to another file called head.txt, so to perform the last operation. So the command which I would be using is the same thing. Apart from that, I will put the same, I will concat this particular thing, Hadoop fs put to the location where we want, and the location which I want is same user Hadoop, same location in Hadoop I want to put. So the command, I would copy the command. Yeah, this is the command which I would be using. Yeah, so I'm doing cat operation, seeing the first 5 lines and concatenating the first 5 lines to a new file called head.txt in the Hadoop file system. So let's see the ltr. So here we see head.txt with 100 KB around. Let's see the same thing in who. Yeah, head.txt, and let's see the content. Yeah, the first 5 lines, so space and space and 5. So let's do the same thing for text as tail as well. So let's just see the tail of last 5. So we would see the tail last 5 lines in the old list, and let's concatenate to a new file called tail.txt in the same location. So let's see. So we should see 3 files: head, tail, and old list. Let's see the same thing in who. Yeah, here it is, tail. Let's see the content and the 5 lines. So the last operation which I need to do is merge all these 3 files and create a new file. So the command which I would be using is, I will see the text and concatenate into a new file using a hyphen text. Let's see the demo part. So it is same as it is. So hyphen text, so the location which I want, I'll copy it. So text to this part, so it just so it displays the uh, text ending files, all the files which are ended with text. It displays the text content. Yeah, so it is same like cat. What cat does, it does the same thing. So I will concatenate this output to a new file using hyphen put. into an same location of Hadoop. So I'll copy that. So as tab is not working, so this is what the new file which I would like to put, consolidated.txt. So as we saw the before output, so before output I'm concatenating into a new file using put Hadoop command, and the new file which I would be using is consolidated.txt. So let's run it. Yeah, it's done. So it let's see, it should show basically 4. Yeah, when I said detail, oldest and consolidated. Let's see the same thing in who. Yeah, consolidated in 5 MB. So with the content of it. Yeah, this is all about the ICP1. Thank you.